Welcome to the January edition of the More Media Minute, brought to you by your school librarians. Just a reminder, the AR due date for the second 9 weeks is January 30th. Don't wait until the last minute to meet your AR goal. A couple of other reminders. You are responsible for your library books. Do not lend your books to anyone, and do not let other people return your books. We had 5 students join the 25 Point Club in the month of December: Zachary Brown, Levi McReading, Kelsey Rideout, Lydia Smelser, and Violet Verdeja. Please stop by the library to claim your prize. And congratulations. For the month of December, we completed the book cover contest, and we are going to continue that for the month of January. We only received 3 entries. We are looking for students to create a new book cover for their favorite book. All entries will be displayed on our January and February bulletin board, Warm Up with a Good Book. 2 entries will also be chosen based on quality and originality to win a prize. Make sure your artwork has color to grab the reader's attention. Stop by the library's contest corner to pick up your entry form today. We will hang them on the bulletin board as they are turned in. For our December stats, we had 2,756 total library circulations. You all read a total of 13,697,909 words. Everybody took 1,231 AR tests, and out of those AR tests, 1,084 of them were passed. We also added 110 new books to the library in the month of December alone. We have more coming in every day for January and February. One of our new books is called The Night Diary. The location in the library is historical fiction, and the location on the shelf is Fic, H-I-R. It's 1947, and India, newly independent of British rule, has been separated into 2 countries, Pakistan and India. The divide has created much tension between Hindus and Muslims, and hundreds of thousands are killed crossing the border. Half Muslim, half Hindu, 12-year-old Nisha doesn't know where she belongs or what her country is anymore. When Papa decides it's too dangerous to stay in what is now Pakistan, Nisha and her family become refugees and embark first by train but later on foot to reach their new home. But even if her country has been ripped apart, can Nisha still believe in getting her life back together? Ms. Hayes recommends this book. I read it over a break and it was wonderful. Our next new book is a new book by Mary Houning Dawn, What We Saw. The location in the library for this book is horror, and the location on the shelf is Fic, H-A-H. You all recognize Mary Houning Dawn. She has wrote one for The Sorrow, Took, Wait Till Helen Comes, and The Girl in the Locked Room, just to name a few. So the location of this book is where all of her other books are. When a woman is found dead in the woods, Abby and Skylar realize they hold the key to solving her murder. As tensions rise and their friendship frays, they must choose between keeping a secret and exposing the life-altering truth. So come and check out Mary Houning Dawn's What We Saw. All right, our next new book is Mr. Limoncello's Very First Game. The location in the library is Mystery, and the location on the shelf is Fic, G-R-A. Other stories or other books in the series that we have is Escape from Mr. Limoncello's Library and Mr. Limoncello's Great Library Race. We have those books as well. Go back to the start and meet 13-year-old puzzle-obsessed Luigi Limoncello. Luigi has a knack for games and puzzles, but sometimes it feels like the cards are stacked against him until a carnival arrives in town and Luigi gets the chance of a lifetime. The opportunity to work for the world-famous Professor Marvelous, a dazzling banana hat-wearing barker who puts the show in showman. When the carnival closes, Professor Marvelous leaves behind a mysterious puzzle box along with a clue that will lead Luigi and his friends on a fantastical treasure hunt to a prize beyond anything they could imagine, if they can find it. So come check out Mr. Limoncello's very first game. Some other new books that we received, these are going to be nonfiction quick reads. June Almeida, Virus Detector, Joan Proctor, Dragon Doctor, and The World is Not a Rectangle. So come check these books out. And we are working on growing our series in the library. A new series that we added is the OK Witch. And we are building on the City of Ember. We are trying to complete that series along with trying to complete other series in the library. That is a new goal of ours. So come and check out some of our new books in the library. Have a wonderful January, and we can't wait to see you in the library.